the 2019 GMC Terrain. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.